Hey, what's up, guys? I'm filming from my phone because I need to look at the camera, not at the screen. I'm uploading on my phone because my computer still hasn't been fixed. But right now, me and Petey, we're gonna put on some speakers. We already did the passenger side. Right now, I lost this SIM card going crazy, and it was on top of the hood. We were looking on the ground, looking everywhere. Who's that? My grandma's twin. Grandma has a twin. You guys didn't even know. Yeah, she's in there, and we're gonna put on a speaker. But these screws. I wonder if I can't switch the camera on this phone. The screws are well, the bolts are like
they were rusted.
They're rusted out. You can't get any grip on them. Yeah, and I'm gonna have to charge this little drill that I have and screw them out. And oh look, there's my grandma's twin. Yeah, it looks like my grandma. Look, they're right there. See them two together. And that's why they tell apart. She has white hair, and my grandma has, I think, another color hair. I think brown or something. But yeah, guys, what we're doing right now. Rob, I'm sorry I haven't gone to your place, bro, and filmed you with your line. Doing your body work. I'm helping Petey, and tell him, Petey.
Liar.
Nah, tell him he's gonna watch it.
Well, who's gonna watch what?
Your uncle, your brother-in-law. What is he to your cousin?
My uncle, brother-in-law.
Other brother-in-law. I don't know. He's gonna watch it. I'm sorry, bro, but Monday you need to hit me up, and you can pick me up here at Petey's house, and we'll take off and I'll film. We can film it from my phone, and I'll just throw it up from there. But yeah, we're gonna have to wait till that battery charges, and then we're gonna screw those out. And the truck's still running good, guys. Everything's good. Pancho's still chilling. All the cats, and that's it. Right, Petey? What else? And that's it. Let's sit on Pancho. Doggy dog. And I guess what else? We can't get that thing out. We gotta wait to drill them out, right?
There's nothing else to do but wait. Pancho, bite him, Pancho. Bite him. Just bite him.
Yeah, we're just waiting here, guys. Nothing else. What else can I show you? What else should we talk about? Went to a basketball game. Petey's first time. It's cool. But my computer's messing up. We'll look at that car. Ooh. And I think it was a Mercedes two-door. Pretty nice. It's a sporty one. But
Yeah, nothing to do.
yeah, we gotta wait till that battery charges, and it takes a while. We were trying to. We did the other side. And
We had to borrow a drill from
we had to borrow a drill from my cousin, and we did it and everything, and it works. And now we're doing this side. We find out these are all rusted out, no good. So we gotta drill those out, put new ones, and that's what we're doing right now. And we're just telling you guys that because I was gonna film it, and my computer's kind of crashed. It's not working, and it's crashed, and it has a virus. And I'm gonna have to get that fixed. And once I get that fixed, then I can upload other videos. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. I guess that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Petey's playing with his light. Peace.